Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna draw Minion Bob. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna start with drawing his left eye. So we're gonna draw a circle here. So I'm going to start with drawing his eyes, and we're going to draw a circle for the left eye, like that. And inside of that circle, I'm going to draw a smaller circle, but we're not going to place it in the middle of the eye. We're going to draw the circle slightly to the center of the eye, like that. And then inside of that circle, I'm gonna draw a black circle, a smaller one in the middle. And then on the upper left side of that circle, I'm gonna draw a small circle, like that. And then we're gonna repeat that for the right eye. Like that. So I'm going to trace the shape of both of that eye and draw the goggles. So we're going to start at the middle point here, and I'm going to follow the shape of the eye outwards on the left side, and I'm going to stop at the middle as well for the bottom part. Now I'm going to draw the right side of the goggle. So we're gonna trace the right eye this time and meet at the middle. Okay, and then on the right side of the goggle, I'm gonna draw a short line to the right, like that, and then a longer line downwards, like that, and then a short line towards the goggle, like that. In the middle of that long line, we're gonna draw a line, a short line towards the goggle, and then another one on top of it. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a line towards the back of the head, like that, and another one slightly below, like that, and connect the end with a short line. Okay, and now we're gonna do the top of the head. So I'm gonna take this point here and try to make a semicircle towards the left side of the goggle, like that. Now on both sides of the face, I'm gonna draw a line downwards right at the arm here. Same goes to the left side, and then for the left arm, I'm going to draw a line from that point downwards, slightly curved, like that. And then for the right arm, I'm going to draw a line, a straight line towards outwards and slightly downwards, and then go up, and then repeat that for the outer line of the arm, and then curve it in towards the body. And then I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line across at the wrist here, like that, and we're gonna begin to draw the glove. So at this point here, I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line, and then just draw it upwards like that, and towards, turn it to the left, and then curve it at the end point, and go down. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw the next finger. So the shape is basically almost similar. So I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line outwards to the point and curve in back. Stop there. The same goes to the next finger. I'm gonna go out and curve it back in, and we're just gonna continue that line and curve it and to the other end of the glove. Alright? And then right below the arms here, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, a short line, slightly curved. Like that. And then the same goes to the left side. And we're gonna connect those 2 points with a semicircle. Like that. And now I'm going to draw his mouth. So we're going to draw a slightly curved line across below the goggles. Like that. And then a semicircle for the lower part of the mouth. And then I'm gonna draw his teeth. I'm gonna start in the middle and draw a semicircle towards the left. And then another one. And then I'm gonna go back to the center point and draw the teeth on the right. Okay. Now I'm gonna draw the strap of his outfit. So I'm gonna draw a line right below the corner of his mouth here, and draw a line across to the side of his face like that. And then I'm gonna draw another line following that line slightly below at this point over here, and draw the same line across. And I'm gonna join these 2 points over here with a short line, and slightly off of that line I'm gonna draw a circle. We're gonna repeat that for the left side of the strap. Now I'm gonna draw a line across for the top part of his outfit. Like that. And then at the side I'm gonna draw a line downwards and make a semicircle at this point, and we're gonna do a semicircle like that. Same goes to the left side. And then we're gonna draw a line from the middle point of this part over here across to the side of his outfit. Same goes to the left side. And now I'm gonna draw his pants. So I'm gonna draw slightly from off of the center, bottom of the semicircle. At this point I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that, and another line for the outer part of his legs. And then I'm gonna connect those 2 lines, the end point, with a curved line. And then for the front part of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a short line like that. And then I'm gonna draw a short line for the back of the shoes like that. And then from the front part of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line, slightly looks like a semicircle like that. And from that point, I'm gonna connect that to the back of the heels like that. And I'm gonna copy that shape, that line, slightly below, like that, and connect the base of the shoe with a short line. Now I'm gonna copy the whole thing for the right side of the legs. Now I'm gonna draw the bucket in the middle of his outfit. So I'm gonna draw a line across, and then at the sides I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then I'm gonna do a curved corner over here and the right side and connect those two lines with a line across. Now for the last part, I'm gonna draw his glove on the left. I'm gonna draw a line across here like that, and then from this point I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then we're gonna draw the fingers. I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line like that, and then another curved line slightly inside, like from this point over here. I'm gonna draw a semicircle when you reach the bottom and turn up, and then I'm gonna repeat that shape from this point, go down, curve, and go up, and I'm gonna draw some curved line to end it. So that's it with our Bob from Minions. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Oh, before that, make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.